Hey kids, good morning. Hope you all are well. This is your English class, and in that, we are learning to write small alphabets with the capital alphabets. So, first we will revise the alphabets which we have done. A is for aeroplane, B is for ball, C is for candy, T is for drum, E is for envelope, F is for flower, G is for grapes, H is for heart, I is for igloo, J is for joker, K is for key, L is for leaf, M is for moon, N is for newspaper, O is for orange, P is for pencil, Q is for quilt, R is for ring, S is for sun, and T is for tree. So, our new letters are U is for umbrella and V is for van. So, be ready now to write U and V. So, kids, first we will learn the object which start from U. U for unicorn, U for umbrella, U for utensils, U for urn. Once again we will learn U for unicorn, U for umbrella, U for utensils, U for urn. Now next letter is V. V for volcano. ये क्या है? ज्वालामुखी. जब ये बहुत गर्म हो जाता है तो ये ऐसे फूट जाता है. V for van, V for vulture, V for vegetables, V for vase. Once again we will revise. V for volcano, V for van, V for vulture, V for vegetables, V for vase. So now kids, I will tell you how to write U and V. So be ready. So kids, what is this? Umbrella. आप कब यूज करते हो? When it rains. जब बारिश होती है तब आप umbrella यूज करते हो, है ना? U for umbrella. Now we will write the letter. First we will write the capital U. So we will start from the top, standing line down and take a curve. Make a curve and then again go upwards. It becomes capital U. And for a small u, we will start with second line, standing line down, take a curve and go again. And from the same line, come down and make a curve like this. It becomes capital U. Sorry, small u. Once again kids, for capital U, standing line down, make a curve, go upward. It becomes capital U. For a small u, start from line number 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Line number 2, make one standing line and touch the bottom line with a curve and go upward again. And from the same line, आपको इसी line से वापस आना है. आप यहाँ गए, then with the same line come down and make a curve. It becomes small u. Once again kids, for capital U, standing line down, take a curve and then go upward again. And for a small u, standing line down, go upward and from the same line come down. So kids, what you have to do, you have to copy down this letter till to the last line. So kids, what is this? Van. आप स्कूल आते हो वैन में बैठ के, है ना? What is the color of the van? Yellow. So, V for van. Okay. So, now be ready to write the letter. So, first we will write the date on the top, 16.7.20. Okay. Now, first we will write the capital V. You all know how to write. Slanting line down. Then go upward again with the another slanting line. This becomes capital V. And for a small v, again you will do the same, but we will do with the line number 2, second line. Slanting line down, and then from that point go upward with another slanting line. It becomes small v. Again slanting line for capital V, slanting line down, go upward with another slanting line. It becomes capital V. And for a small v, start with line number 2, make one slanting line down, and with the same point go upward with another slanting line. Okay, this becomes small v. Once again kids, slanting line down, go upward, and it becomes capital V. And for a small v, do the same but with line number 2. हम सेम करेंगे but line number 2 से. Slanting line down, go upward. It becomes small v. So, it is very easy to write, है ना? You have to copy down this till to the last line kids. Okay? So, this is all for today kids. Bye-bye.